Well, we make it a deliberate effort here after the knockdown at number 8. Just the one knockdown, though, for Baroness, so it's a 4-fault score over an equally difficult jump-off track. 4 faults in 46.918. Leaves the door open a crack here today as just the one rail is scored in our jump-off and brings in our second entry to challenge now. It's Oh La La. Number 1010 and scored is now an entry for Lauren Huff's ride. An entry from the Oh La La group will challenge our Great American Time to Beat that stands with a 4-fault score. So a clean round will take the lead from a 46.918.
Wow, what a tough
break at the end. It all finishes at that Great American vertical fence, number 14, and the rail comes down. So it's 4 faults, but we turn in a faster time. So our Great American Time to Beat still stands with a 4-fault score in 42.601. A new faster time laid down by Oh La La and Lauren Huff that has to hold up through now just 4 more entries to take home the win. But again, still a chance for a clean round to take over the lead. As our next entry to show in the jump-off, number 1051 will come on to challenge next. Here comes Aristoteles 5. The first of the gentlemen in the field will come on to challenge now. It's Jonathan McRae's ride aboard for Candy Tribble and Windsor Show Stables. It's Aristoteles 5 that comes in to challenge our Great American Time to Beat set with 4 faults in 42.601. That Liverpool in the other direction is an entirely different look, and it will give us a single knockdown here for Aristoteles 5. 4 faults will be the score again here in our jump-off round. 49.241 will be the time here for the young Aristoteles 5 and Jonathan McRae, and that moves into our third place position now with just 3 entries left to show. So we'll look for our first clear round now from entry number 1014. Coming in now to try to turn in the clear round that we need to take over the lead in our Great American $1 Million Grand Prix. It's our second place finisher in the AIG Million. It's Rothschild that comes in to jump off next with McLean Ward riding for Sagamore Farm. And still plenty to play with. We have our first clear round in 42.903. 42.903 and clean will set our Great American Time to beat with Rothschild and McLean Ward. Well, a challenge has been issued, but we've seen that time topped. Not without fault, but if anybody can do it, it's this one. Number 929 comes in as our next entry to join us. First of two with a chance to top Rothschild's Great American Time to beat. It's Chill RZ. So now we'll welcome in another of our Midwest competitors. Charlie Jane will have the ride next here. Aboard from Elgin, Illinois, an entry from Alex Jane and Maura Thatcher. Chill RZ will be our next challenger to our Great American Time to beat, held by Rothschild at 42.903 and clean. We have a new leader. It's Chill RZ and Charlie Jane. Clean in 42.240 will raise the bar by just over half a second. We knew the time could be topped. We saw Lauren Half turn in the faster round, but with a knockdown, then Chill RZ and Charlie Jane come in and show us how to do it clean. We'll see if we can raise the bar again with an entry who has already walked away victorious here in our Ocala Horse Property Stadium. It's entry number 1008 that comes in to jump off next. We'll have to lay it on the line here for the win, with VDL Wizard being our final entry to jump off. Callan Solom will have the ride next, on to challenge our Great American Time to beat that has just been shown at 42.240 and clean. was a great ride here for Callan Solomon, BDL Wizard. What a jump off track here as we'll turn it in fault free in 44.116. That makes for a great day in the prize checks.